Hey, I'm Danielle with WTI. This bookshelf from Asuli was just what we needed to bring some uniqueness to our home. Just look at it. This is by far the coolest bookshelf I've ever seen. We love the design of it and it added so much pizzazz to our place. I put this together by myself and it only took me about an hour. The instructions were clear and easy to follow, and they even provided a QR code that links to a video in case you need extra guidance. It's also lightweight and easy to move around, which was helpful when putting it together since you have to move it and rotate it back and forth to put the screws in. It's a tall shelf, but it came with hardware to anchor it to the wall if you want some extra security. Overall, the quality of this shelf feels really good. Even when I added weight to it, it didn't bend or warp or lose its shape in any way. I'm 5'4" for reference, and it provided so much room for us to put stuff on and display just about anything we wanted. Fun fact, because it's metal, we were able to add some magnetic lights and make it look even more cool, which I didn't even know was possible. If you're shopping for new decor but want something that stands out, you're really going to love this bookshelf. We definitely do, and that's our point of view.